Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your immi account for Australia in order to lodge your online visa applications. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So in front of you I have opened the actual URL from the site of Australia. So when you come here for the first time, you need to create an account, and once your account is ready you can put your information here and log in. So click here. So you need to select the type of online services you need. Online. So this is asking for your details, like your detail, so that it stays in the system. So put the details. So let's make a profile of a guy named Peter Smith, uh, family name, and given name, let's say Peter. Phone number 923456789. How many digits I have entered? 10 digits. Okay. Phone, mobile phone, it cannot be same, so let me make it 933. Okay, email address is definitely required, so we need an email address here. So put your email address here. Click on continue. Now it has asked you to create password. Questions and answer. You need to accept the terms and then security check, and I'm gonna select some questions. Once you are through that security page, click on submit, and then you get this screen, and you can again click on continue. It takes you to this lodgement page where you need to accept terms and conditions. And from here you can proceed further. Like I selected a tourist visa, that's why it's going through here. Meanwhile, if you open your email account, you see that you get an email from the government and from the Australian government, so you can verify. That's it. So now your account is good to proceed. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel absolutely free to ask. Thank you.